Hi everyone. Today in this feature update, we shall discuss about how to process e-invoice from Genesis POS. Before we begin, I have already explained how to enable e-invoice in Genesis POS in my earlier video. Please refer to the link given in the description. Let us know the background. How do we process e-invoice currently from Genesis POS? Well, the process is completely manual. One needs to export an e-invoice report with all the document details, upload it in the EaseMyGST portal, and then generate IRN for them manually. After that, they need to update e-invoice details against each document in Genesis POS. What is the feature update? Well, now we can process e-invoice via the integrated process from Genesis POS itself for the following document types: B2B POS bill and POS goods return. Now I will demonstrate how to process e-invoice via the integrated process. In this demonstration, I will show you the major two scenarios for a B2B POS bill: generation of IRN and cancellation of IRN. Please note the upcoming demonstrated process remains the same for POS goods return document type. So let us begin with the demonstration. I have already prepared a B2B POS bill for the purpose of this demonstration, and now I will proceed to generate IRN. So this is the document. I will click on GST e-invoice details button and the window for processing appears. As you can see, in the document number field, the document number automatically shows up and we can see the generate IRN button. Now let me click on it and wait for some time. As you can see, the IRN got generated successfully. Let me show you the same in EaseMyGST portal. As you can see, the IRN got generated successfully for that document. Let us consider we wish to cancel the IRN and the option to cancel IRN also appears. All we need to do is click on cancel IRN and wait for some time. As you can see, the IRN got cancelled successfully. Let me show you the same in the EaseMyGST portal. As you can see, for the same document, IRN has been cancelled successfully. So this was the whole flow of e-invoice via the integrated process in Genesis POS. Some points to note which I also wish to show you. For a document for which e-invoice is not applicable, the system will intelligently identify it and clicking on GST e-invoice will throw a message. E-invoice cannot be generated for the selected document. Kindly check the case manually. So for this document, since e-invoice was not applicable, the system has thrown this message. Another point, for a document for which you have generated the IRN manually in the EaseMyGST portal, post version upgrade, you will have the option to cancel the IRN via the integrated process. Let me show you how. So for this document, I have already generated the IRN manually in the EaseMyGST portal, and now I will cancel the IRN for this document via the integrated process. So let me click on GST e-invoice details. As you can see, the manually updated IRN details are shown to me along with an option to cancel the IRN. Let me click on cancel IRN and wait for some time. As you can see, the IRN got cancelled successfully. Let me show you the same in EaseMyGST portal. As you can see, for the document for which I generated the IRN manually in EaseMyGST portal, I was able to cancel the IRN via the integrated process. So here I end my demonstration. Answers to common queries. Query number 1. Is it possible to update IRN manually after this update? Yes, only in case of error or where e-invoice is not integrated. Once IRN is updated via integrated process, any manual modification is not allowed. Query number 2. What are the types of POS documents for which e-invoice is not applicable? For POS bill, if customer's GSTN number is not present or there is a return or exchange item present in the bill, in such scenarios, e-invoice is not applicable. Query number 3. How to cancel the IRN for the document where IRN was updated manually without the integration. After the version update, if the IRN was generated manually for the document in the EaseMyGST portal, then user can cancel it via integration. Query number 4. How to process the documents where error is received while generating IRN? Process to handle error remains as is. User need to check the error message, correct it manually and generate IRN in EaseMyGST portal. Once it is done, he needs to make the correction in POS document and update the IRN details manually. Query number 5. If I have generated IRN via integrated process, can I cancel it manually? No. If IRN is generated via integrated process, then the same has to be cancelled via the integrated process only. Thank you everyone. This video was brought to you by Business Analysis team. If you have any further queries, please contact Genesis Care.